Hi guys, this is Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents, and I'm back with your CVS Deals of the Week starting tomorrow 8/2 through August the 8th. We have a lot of money makers and freebies this week, so let's jump right in. Also, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into these videos. I truly enjoy the support that we are receiving. Anywho, let's do this. So this week we have Suave hair care on sale for 2 for $6, and we're going to be picking up 2. The limit is 1, and when you buy 2 you get a $2 extra care buck. So make sure you pick up 2. We're going to use one of the $3 off of 2 Suave from Retail Me Not 82. And then we're also going to use, if you have the 2 off of 2 CVS CRT for the Suave, use it. But I had the $1.50, so I put it in the transaction. We're going to pay either $1 or $1.50, get back $2 an extra care buck, making this free, plus anywhere from a 50-cent to $1 money maker. So a super great deal. Make sure you pick this up if you have these coupons. Even if you don't have a CRT, it's still a great deal. So keep that in mind. Next up is going to be the NYX lip color or gloss, which is 2 for $11.98, and this is a deal that we typically only see during Thanksgiving, Christmas time, but they brought it back and I'm super excited. NYX is one of my favorite lip colors, but it's the lip and the gloss. When you pick up 2, you're going to get a $10 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the lip color or glosses. My favorite is the butter gloss, if you guys are wondering. The butter gloss is fantastic. It's the one that's in the picture on the thumbnail. So definitely grab that if you've never tried their lip glosses. Okay, back. Let me resurface back here. So we're going to pick up 2 of the lip glosses. We're going to use the 3 off of 10 NYX CVS CRT, or some people have a 4 off of 12. Use whatever you have and adjust your math accordingly. If you have the $3 CVS CRT, you're going to pay $8.98 and get back a $10 extra care buck, making this free plus a $1.02 money maker. Okay, guys, make sure you pick that deal up. Next up is going to be select Crest or Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale for $4.99. When you buy 2, you get a $3 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the double pack Crest Completes. And then we're going to use 1 of the $3 off teeth whitening CVS CRTs and 2 of the $2 off of 1 Crest toothpaste from the PNG that we most recently received, which will be August PNG. We're going to pay $2.98 and get back $3 in extra care bucks, making this free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So make sure you pick this deal up. It's a super freebie, and you know around here we don't pay for toothpaste, so that's 4 packs for free, folks. Anywho, next up is going to be the Chic razors or refills. They are buy 2 get a $10 extra care buck, and this does exclude disposables. So this is a time where you can get real razors for a real cheap price. So we're going to pick 2 of the Chic Hydro Silk razors. Mine are priced at $8.99, but the prices are going to vary depending on your location, so keep that in mind. We're going to use 2 of the $4 off of 1 Chic coupons from Smart Source $7.19, and I also had a $4 off Chic razor CVS CRT that I've had for what I feel like I keep getting this coupon and I'm not using it, so they keep giving it to me, so we're using it, guys. Anyways, we're going to pay $5.98 and we're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making this free plus a $4.02 money maker. Next up is going to be one of my favorite deals this week, which is the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. I have been looking for this to be on sale ever since we got all these in-app coupons that are in-app only coupons. So I hope you guys got them because this is a fantastic deal for detergent, okay? So they're buy 1, get 2 free. They're priced at $7.29, so we're going to use the $1 off of 1 Arm & Hammer detergent coupon that we are going to be getting in Smart Source 8.2, okay? And that has a limit of 1 on it, so you can only use 1, you know. If you can use more than that, more power to you, but it's a limit of 1. We're also going to be using the $2 off Arm & Hammer in-app, the $1.50 off Arm & Hammer in-app coupon, and the $1 off Arm & Hammer in-app coupon, okay? The final price is going to be $1.79 for all 3, or 59 cents each for detergent, y'all. So make sure you pick up this deal. It is my favorite deal of the week, hands down. Next up is going to be the Ensure Serna or Hunger Smart is buy 2 get a $5 extra care buck. So we have a pretty decent deal on this, so I wanted to throw this in here. We're going to pick up 2 of the Serna mini treats, which are priced at $5.79. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off of 1 Serna product coupons that we're going to get in Smart Source 8.2. You're going to pay $5.58 you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this deal 58 cents for both or 29 cents each. I would definitely pick these up if you need them or you use them or you know someone that needs them or uses them, okay? Next up is going to be the Colgate Optic White, and this includes the Max, the 2-in-1, and the Total. They are on sale for $3.49, and when you buy two, you get a not $50. You get a $4.50 extra care buck. You guys, I just completely lost my train of thought. Anyways, it's a limit of 2. You know I love to max out deals like this, so we're going to max this deal out. We're going to pick up 4 of the Colgate Total, and that equals out to $13.96. We're going to use a $3 off of 12 toothpaste, mouthwash, or toothbrush CVS CRT. That is select shoppers, of course. We're going to use 4 of the 75 cents off of 1 Colgate Total. And this is 3 ounces or larger. It's the same coupon we've been using for the last few weeks on all the Colgate deals because it's a higher value than the 50 cents that we received in the paper. You're going to pay $7.96. You're going to get back $9 in extra care bucks, making this free plus $1.04 moneymaker. One of the other deals that I wanted to throw in this video was the Axe. Select Axe and Select Dove is buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, so I did this breakdown based on the Axe body wash, but I do want to keep in mind that I have more CRTs for the Dove, but right now I'm not sure exactly what's going to be included in this deal. So I'll definitely update you when I do my haul video within the next few days and let you know what all is included in this deal. But let's jump into the breakdown for the Axe body wash. So the Axe body wash is priced at $5.79 and it's buy one get one half off. So the second one will be $2.89. That brings us to a total of $8.68. We're going to use one of the $3 off of 2 Axe coupons that we received in the Retail Me Not 8-2 insert, okay? We're going to use a $2 off of 8 body wash CVS CRT, or if you have the 2 off of 6, use whatever you have that will qualify for this deal. And then we're also going to use the $1.50 off of 1 Axe body wash CVS CRT, and that's select shoppers. We will pay $2.18. We're going to get back $2 in extra care bucks, making the final price $18 cents for both of them, are 9 cents each. Now keep in mind, if you use Fetch Rewards, there is a Fetch Reward on the body wash, so you can use this and get 2,500 points back on Fetch. So keep that in mind. That makes this a money maker if you use it. If not, just download it, and I'll put the link in the description box below and you can sign up. The last deal that I want to actually talk about is going to be the Hershey singles are on sale this week for 2 for $2, and we have $1 that's going to be coming out in the red box machine. I love simple deals like this, and sometimes it's nice just to have a little chocolate sitting around the house. So definitely pick these up. It'll be $1 for both or 50 cents each. Last but not least, I wanted to start something different called honorable mentions, which are deals that we either do way too much and I don't feel like we need a breakdown for, or things that I don't necessarily feel like are the greatest deals, but they're worth talking about. So first up is going to be the Palm Olive 10 ounce. They're 99 cents this week, and we have a 25 cents instant coupon. Those will be 74 cents. Super simple deal if you need some detergent, or just need to throw them in if you have like a spend 25, get $5 off type of thing and you need something extra. Next up is going to be the antifungal or the anti-itch products. We don't know what all is included, but that Steam Kill is $5.79 online, and if you buy one you get a $5 extra buck, so it's 79 cents. So you just have to pay that $5.79 up front. I feel like it was worth mentioning. Last but not least is Old Faithful CoverGirl Cosmetics buy 2 get $5 in extra care bucks. Y'all, you know we do this coupon breakdown all the time. Just pick up those twin brow packs. You already know what I'm talking about. You already know the breakdown for it, and throw in any CRTs that work. Anywho, guys, thanks so much for tuning into this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are so appreciative for the support that you guys have shown, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.